Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to use emojis on Windows. So let's begin the video. The easiest way to insert emojis on Windows is with the emoji picker. While typing, press the Windows key plus period. The emoji picker will pop up. Now from here, scroll through the emojis or type the name here. Now click the emoji you want to use and it will instantly appear where your cursor is. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.